Welcome back, friends. Today, around 1 p.m., approximately close to it, we saw a 55 points rise in Nifty in just 5 minutes. This was no mean of a prediction by me, but yet I would like to say this with all humility that many people, I've never seen, in fact, in my entire this thing, today, so many people have benefited and have written to me that we could just take a quick position and such a good sudden rise in Nifty. They have made huge amounts of money and then thanked me so much. I'm so grateful to God, and whatever I could do for y'all, I will continue to do. Some people have asked me to make more videos during the day. They say, for example, today the Supreme Court judgment, AGR dues came, and that's why I made some more videos. Somebody has commented that I make so many videos. I don't make it for my uh, benefit. Viewers keep requesting me from time to time, sir, this situation is changing. Do you have another view? I have to, in fact, interrupt my other things and come out and make. It's a lot of hard work. These predictions are no mean. Try it on your own. Try to give me one prediction for, let us say, just the opening tomorrow. You will understand how tough it is when somebody is putting so much effort. At least we have a 90-95% hit rate, right? So it's not a joke, but just try. All of your viewers, I'm saying today, just try to predict the. Just one day you try, Just one day you try, or even half an hour you try tomorrow. It's very tough, friends. Very tough. And having still said all this, I still always submit my predictions with humility. There is always a higher power. I'm doing my best. People who have benefited so much today say that, sir, we will. You always request that please donate to some blind school, blind students. We will send you the money. You donate, sir. I have requested everybody. You can find in your own area. I am not a person that needs money to. I am not a medium for that. I am just requesting you all. In your own area, you'll find some blind student, blind, this school. You will be able to easily find it. It's not difficult, and please try to do it. It's a worthy cause. They have a lot of difficulties. People who cannot see the world. I'm requesting only that. Tomorrow, my competitors, will say that I'm indulging in a blind student scam. They are indulging in such nasty tactics that I feel very sad about. The things they write is tomorrow. I don't. That's why I have only a simple art of investing program. I don't force anybody. I think you will benefit. It's a nice detailed program. But if you feel like, do subscribe for it. That also, the costs are basic data costs, nothing more we ask. I'm not taking for myself. We are just doing it to help people. Here we are, here we try to do something for India, and look at the types of people. Competitors have absolutely no morals. I mean, I have nothing to benefit. So many people, and they've been following me for years. So much books I have written. I mean, I'm not something newcomer that I'm here to make some quick buck, or so much of an effort. This is not an easy prediction game. It's very tough. This is trying to benefit people, that people have some difficulties financial. They should not go the wrong way. I give stock suggestions, teach a few things in the course. Only data is the basic cost, and nobody is under pressure. If you feel like you can, nobody is under pressure. Blind school, you do it on your own. Don't give me the money. But I'm thankful that so many trusted me, and they said that we are writing you and we are immediately doing a NEFT transfer. With folded hands, please don't give me. These competitors will say it is, Sunil Kevalramani is now indulging another, it's really sad. This is the first thing. If I was the Prime Minister, first thing I will teach my citizens of India: be good to each other, be true in business, in by word, by mouth, by your behavior. Don't hurt anybody. Don't do that. Karma will come to play sooner or later. It's only the question of time. Even if I don't build roads, I don't build infra. This is what is decaying. The country is decaying. What are we talking about IPLs and winning a World Cup? Even if you win World Cup, let us say we had won in this England World Cup, does that make India a great country? Do we have the morals? Far decaying. And this is a country of saints, of gods, of everything. And I'm not saying that everybody is like that, but it is far decaying. You also know what I'm saying. It should not. The country has to rise. The true Ram Rajya has to return back. That's all I'm requesting you all. For what? How does it benefit me? But someday if I feel too much of a pressure, then I will also stop saying all this. But I've never done anything or said anything which has been not honest. My videos, some people are saying you make too many videos. It's a shameless comment of one fellow. I know somebody may have planted him to say that you have so many videos during the day, something has to click. None of my videos are different from each other. They are absolutely the same. The topic is the same. Whatever I'm talking is, it is some people keep asking me today. So many had requested me, sir, this AGR judgment has come. Please make a video whether that will have any impact. I made out a video, not to benefit me yet. Anyway, those who still are interested, they can write to me. 9820861044 is my WhatsApp number for the Art of Investing course. Those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, you can feel free to do so. And definitely I feel that this sense of the biggest thing that you should learn from this art of investing is morals. More than technical charts, techniques, fundamentals. This is okay, I will teach you in this course and all, but biggest thing that if you want to succeed in investing, I'll teach you is one thing is have good morals. Good morals, good ethics. Speak. Karma is there behind. Whatever you speak or do wrong is going to eventually come back. Life is short. Corona has taught us so many lessons. And I have never said that I am 100% perfect. Maybe I think I'm about 90-95% is fine. Okay. I take it with a grain of salt. In fact, I tell everybody that do your own homework before you invest your hard-earned money, which people should be doing. So, basic gist I'm telling you of the investing. If you to ask me, what is your biggest formula? I live a life of morals, very high morals, and I request and I try to do good for everybody. I've told y'all also, every day try to help somebody who is helpless, who is nobody to help him. Try to do one good deed. And if you cannot do a good deed, at least don't do harm to anybody. This is the trick. Once your soul is at peace, art of investing, it will unravel itself by itself to you. You don't even need to do anything else. Okay. So happy investing. These are some of my thoughts for today. I normally don't make a separate video, but I did today. There are some people who had wanted me to make that. What is the key to the art of investing? This is one of the biggest keys. Ethics. Be ethical. Whatever you do, your words, your action, your thoughts, be very, very pure in your heart and your soul. Take care.